Today I will explain students exercise 9.3 question number 9. The question is the side AB of a parallelogram ABCD is produced to any point P. A line through A and parallel to CP makes CB produced at Q, and then parallelogram PBQR is completed. So that area of ABCD equals to area of PBQR. So the figure is given here. Now read the question again. The side AB of a parallelogram, ABCD is a parallelogram given. The side AB is produced to the point P. A line through A and parallel to CP means this line AQ is parallel to CP given. Meets CB produced at Q. CB produced at Q, and then this parallelogram PBQR is completed. So what is given here is ABCD and PBQR is a PBQR, not is but are parallelograms. In which CP is parallel to AQ given. CP is parallel to AQ given. To prove is area of both the parallelograms are equal. Now see the proof. For the proof, first we have to do the construction also. What is construction? Join AC and PQ. Join AC and PQ. Now, the triangle ACQ and triangle APQ both has the same base AQ and between the same parallel lines AQ and CP. So, triangle ACQ and triangle APQ lies on the same base AQ and between same parallel lines AQ and CP. Therefore, area of ACQ, that is equals to area of APQ. Now, if we'll subtract the area of the triangle ABQ from both the sides, area of ACQ minus area of ABQ, that is equals to area of APQ minus area of ABQ. Now, if we will subtract this area from ACQ, we are left with ABC. This implies area of ABC equals to area of, if we will subtract ABQ from APQ, we are left with area of PBQ. Now, multiply both the sides by 2. What do we get? Twice the area of ABC equals to twice the area of PBQ, or twice of ABC. Twice this area is what? ABCD, or this implies area of ABCD and twice the area of PBQ, that is equals to area of PBQR. So area of both the parallelograms are equal. This was to prove.